You're welcome to Basic Science and Technology for GS1 class. The topic before us is Understanding Technology. Let us look at the objective of the lesson. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to do the following. 1. Explain what technology is all about. 2. State some technological related professions. 3. Discuss the activities carried out by technologists in various sectors. 4. State some of the importance of technological literacy. Introduction. Technology entails the study, development and application of devices, that is machine, and techniques for manufacturing and productive processes. Technology covers various professions like the artisans, the craftsmen, engineers, pilots, sailors, technicians, scientists, and so on and so forth. These professions are helpful in bringing innovations and development into what we know as technology. Now, we shall discuss various spheres of human and economic activities from where a prospective technologist can pick up a professional career. Let us look at some technological related professions and what they do. In the area of agriculture, some technological related professions such as agricultural engineers help in designing of farm equipment, developing new techniques of farming to increase yield. You can see the pictorial display shows some agricultural machines that are used in carrying out farming activities. In the area of computer engineers are technologies that help in developing software and hardwares. They also help in maintenance of computer gadgets. They can work in telecommunication companies. They can work in hospitals, banks, industries, and so on and so forth. In the aeronautical area, the following are being carried out by the technologists: developing and designing of airplanes, aircraft, and satellites. Airspace management and equipment is also part of the things that they carry out. The technologies you can find in these areas are the pilots, the aeronauts, aeronautical engineers, and so on. Now, in the area of electricity, the electrical engineers carry out the following: generation and transmission of electricity, distribution of power, and maintenance and repair of electrical equipment. Petroleum. Petrochemical engineers help in carrying out the following: discovery and extraction of crude oil, development and processing the extracted crude oil into finished products like petrol, kerosene, oil, gas, and so on and so forth. Let's look at the area of manufacturing. Processing of raw materials, designing of mechanical equipment and facilities to aid production are part of the functions of manufacturing companies. Examples of manufacturing companies include the food production companies, textile industries, and consulting firms. These are the manufacturing and production companies. Construction. Designing and construction of roads, bridges, railway, airports, jetty docks, waft sewage treatment, and so on and so forth are functions of construction companies. Construction companies, research institutes, and government parastatals are involved in this unit. Importance of technological literacy. Before I give you the importance, let us look at what technological literacy is all about. Technological literacy is the ability to use, manage, understand, and assess technology. Now, the importance. 1. Technological literacy creates employment. 2. It serves as a means of income. 3. It creates economic relationship among nations. 4. It leads to social development. And 5. It enhances better communication, electrification, and other systems. Before we end the lesson, I would like to give you some evaluation questions. The first one is describe technological related occupations. The second one is state the sector where technologies work and the activities. The third one, define technological literacy. And the fourth is what are the benefits of technological literacy. We have come to the end of the lesson. I want to thank you all for listening. I will see you in the next class.